I feel one time, it's a Saturday once again. Thabo is back with another bang. I started
off in front of camera, started off presenting for the kids from
that will lead you.
We know playing no games, playing no jokes, we know doing no thing that's gonna make you sleep during this episode because yes, Thabo is back with another banger this coming weekend. Like we promised you, ladies and gentlemen, we said this coming weekend is gonna be bringing a lot of fire and we're gonna be talking thank you for joining us once again on this episode. Yes, it's gonna be a different one. Listen, on our opening song we got Idolisha all the way from Delft, and later on you don't want to miss out on the program because we're gonna be touching down and talking to this guy. His name is Lindile Mafuna. He's all the way from Cape Town, Delft. Is the show about people from Delft in Cape Town today? Oh, not really that, because at the end we're going to be introducing new guests all the way from Iduka. His name is Vicga. He's a gong artist. Oh my god. Oh, Nkosiyam. Thank you for joining us. Yes, you're tuned into Radio Touch, your number one social media radio station, Mzansi Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, Barage December already. When Utini, do you want to agree with me on sitting with December? Maybe until you hear what's playing on the background, then you will agree with me. Yes, good December. It's gonna be another season. It's gonna be another December 2018. I feel one time, pillow one time, Bantu. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, like I said on the show, we're gonna be opening our show Yanga Sobetwa, but currently in the background you are with me, Thabo Mithi, and in the background we are playing Skeleton by Master KG featuring Zanda Zakuza. Yes, Skeleton Moves, the name of the song that's playing in the background. But like we promised our listeners on Facebook that we're gonna be officially opening the show with one of the freshest songs from Omnyumta. Oh my goodness, Yanga Sobetwa is really doing our most, and Cape Town better keep topping up their airtime and going to the website and all that, voting for Yanga Sobetwa. She's one of the youngest and the talented girls I've seen thus far. We're idols. Maybe you have another opinion about it. And yes, she's all the way from Cape Town, Yanga Sobetwa-Scars.
Kissed me and then you lied to me.
At Radio Touch SA. You are listening to the voice of Thabo Mithi at Radio Touch SA.
Now you asking about my bruises too. Sometimes it's quick but always stays so long. I'm feeling better but you're never gone. Left me covered in scars all over me.
Radio Touch SA, your number one social media radio station. And Thabo. Yes, it's Yanga Sobetwa with her debut single. Oh my God, the name of the song is Scars. Yes, Scars All Over Me by Yanga Sobetwa. Yes, Idols SA 2018. Yes, the kid is doing our most, ladies and gentlemen. Those of you who like her music, keep voting for her. You can go to the Idols SA site and you can vote for Yanga Sobetwa. And I know the posts flying around asking people to vote for her, and really I think she's one of the most talented people. Moving on, there really, as if we ever have to talk about Scars, ladies and gentlemen, there's one thing that we don't need to forget about Scars. You know, Scars, you can't talk about Scars and not talk about the people, and you can't talk about the people and not talk about their scars. The reason why Sinje and Namhlanje, we are made by some of the scars that assist Benenazo and Geleni. Yes, I don't want to show you my scars. I know you got your own, yes. But let's not go there. Let's not go there, because the more we go down there, the topic is going to be long. I know you're going to drag. Oh yes, and you're tuned in to your number one social media radio station, Radio Touch SS Chilo. Satibariki December, boss. Manda kwetu bandasekhaya. Thank you for joining us once again. It's all about the music and the songs. And later on today, we're going to be talking with Simlindi Lemafuna, all the way from Cape Town, Delft, aka. Yes, it's a Saturday, you are chilled with your friends. I wonder, Nenzandonile weekend. I wonder, what are you guys doing? Because Radio Touch SA is chilling with you, and we're giving you the latest hits. Zala Mzansi anyway.
Machiavelli, girl, you got me speeding, yeah. Doing 240 on Lucky Egg, with it top down, no do, bruh. You been drinking and the dirty money stinking. Girl, you got me speeding, yeah. Doing 240 on Lucky Egg, with it top down, all shit, yo. No do, bruh, no do. You know they call me Fella in Versace. Fella in Versace. Fella in Versace, yeah. Fella in Versace. Fella in Versace. Fella in Versace, yeah. Big shot, superstar, condition, finisher, pull again, bodyguard. You want more like Bolivar. Big shot, superstar, condition, finisher. Ready, set, don't bruise, I delicate. I saw you standing there. Is the flashing lights gonna make me lose my way? Mail, it's a baby, yeah. Belly's in the 18 every year. All my G's in the area. I'm number one in the million. Yeah, like a fish and chips. From the north to the southwest and east. South Africa, yeah, Tada. She gon' blow my cheek. Fella in Versace. Mandela in a Rari. Rubber bands, where you get them from? Motherland, them sons. Yeah, jiggy, heavy. All the girls love me, oh, like money. Call me jiggy, heavy. All eyes on me. Machiavelli, girl, you got me speeding, yeah. Doing 240 on Lucky Egg, with it top down, no do, bruh. You been drinking and the dirty money stinking. Girl, you got me speeding, yeah. Doing 240 on Lucky Egg, with it top down, all shit, yo. No do, bruh, no do. You know they call me Fella in Versace. Fella in Versace. Fella in Versace, yeah. Fella in Versace. Fella in Versace. Fella in Versace, yeah. Ooh, none of those stress. I'm just looking up for your breasties. Me and this squad been besties. Tell me which blood clot boy won't test me, cause I came a long way. Now I'm flexing, I can take a watch fake like this. I'm a smooth criminal. Took her to the mall, up a ball like Lionel. Sexy, she call me Olga. FC Barcelona. Timepiece, like pneumonia. Sweet melanin, Coca-Cola. Big shot, superstar, condition, finish up, call again, bodyguard. You want more like Oliver. Big shot, superstar, condition, finish up. Like Baba, ready set, don't bruise like delicate. Fella in Versace, Mandela in the Rari, rubber bands, where you get them from? Motherland, M-Sons, jiggy jiggy, heavy heavy. All the girls love me, oh like money, call me jiggy jiggy, heavy heavy. All eyes on me, Machiavelli, girl you got me speeding, yeah yeah. Doing 240 on Lucky Ekbe, with the top down, no do grab. You been drinking and the dirty money is stinking. Girl you got me speeding, yeah yeah. Doing 240 on Lucky Ekbe, with the top down, my shit, yo. No do grab, no do. You know they call me Fella in Versace, Fella in Versace, Fella in Versace, yeah. Fella in Versace, Fella in
Yeah, aka featuring Kid Dominant. Fella in Versace in your background, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, me and you being besties, me and the squad being besties. Yes, this weekend again, we are bringing you, oh my god. Okay, listen, I gotta make this announcement now before it's even too late. On a very serious note, yes, Radio Touch in partnership with 047, we are hosting an event on the 16th of December. Kukatyane e Willowvale as 047 Jongomamela. It's gonna be a banger. We got live performances of hip-hop artists, Afro-pop musicians, and we got 2 DJs. Oh my god. Ladies and gents, you don't want to miss this, because what's going to happen on that day is not something that you've seen before in G-Town. You know, you've seen all your typical things, Oguti. You know, there's never been an event of that type in the city, specifically at 047. You don't want to miss out. Go tell your friends, share the poster. The poster is on my wall. Kamanamding with Thabo Mithi on Facebook. You can get the poster there, or you can request it at 072-641-4854. No, I was telling you, Google December. Yes, ngiphethe izinja, ngiphethe abantu abangamameli, ngiphethe izinto ezingalali, silala kanjani. You know, come to think of that, you know, I had Dr. Malinga during the week. I was listening to one of the radio stations, Alapimzans, especially up at Joburg. Now, Dr. Malinga, you know, they like to play his song because he's got his magic, and he says, but Dr. Malinga, let December see a lala now, and the nigga says, no, we don't sleep. Yes, again, let me tell you, we're not gonna sleep on the 16th of December, because we got doper things to do. We got bigger worries than that. We got nice life problems. Yes, some little situations will lead us not to sleep. Yes, it's a Saturday. People are having fun wherever they're having fun. And today, it's one of the big days in Johannesburg, as we'll be witnessing the first ball cricket as a bowler for the MSL at Wonders Stadium. I will be there. Oh, yes, Nelson Mandela Bay Giants will be taking on Josie Stars. And yes, I don't know whether it should be Nelson Mandela Bay Giants or should be Josie Stars. Okay, having said that, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna play you another song, another banger for the festival. Like I said, it's December already. Why is Teta too much? Singashayi number. Ngobi number is what we wanna hear. Professor in one song, and then on top of that you name the song Amalugulugu. What's gonna happen in that song? Yes, that's Dada Mshunisi sitting on my yake. Amalugulugu. I think it's self-explanatory. Amalugulugu featuring Professor. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I can feel the vibe. I can feel the spirit of December. I can feel it. I can feel it. I wonder if you can feel it. Yes, thank you for tuning in at Radio Touch SA, your #1 social media radio station. Mzansi Africa, Thabo Mithi. Yes, you are chilling with us. It's a Saturday. I mean, they're doing different places. Yes, in different times, and abanye ba good time zones ezahlukeneyo. Like, I got a smile this past week. Yes, I think it's 2 weeks back, because one of the people that I know from AUS was like, oh, I'm listening to your stuff, Thabo. Are you into podcast and all? I was like, oh yeah, you know, and I said yes. Yes, I'm proud of what I'm doing, because you know it's really adding value to the people's lives. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm playing you stuff from Destruction Boys on the background. Yes, we are trying to keep in touch with our guy, the guy from Delft. Yes, Estetangai is gonna be with us today. And yes, but before we go to him, how about we take Energy? Yes, Energy by Runtown. Yes. Yeah, boy.
Give you what you want. Baby, come and top my money. Baby, back to the dancing. Baby, this no be joking. Sound God, give you what you want. All these niggas are my picking. Baby, back to the dancing. Baby, this no be joking. So I say, no man can take my joy away. I just wanna get more money and live my life my way. Free smoke, free energy, more life to my enemies. They won't take And baby girl, I don't go lie, I like the way you ready anytime I call on you, yeah. Pull up in the white one, pull up in the white one. You don't see me leave cause I left in the black one. Me, I know the fight one. Yeah, we do it that, we sang up on the team, oh. Tell them in the light one, tell them in the light one, yeah. So I say, no man say no man.
Yes, let's try to get hold of Mr. MS2 himself and see if we are gonna be able to get him. Yes, we're trying to get him on call. Yes, in the background, and I think we're gonna continue playing this song. It's Runtown. The name of the song says Energy, Energy, Energy. Yes. Hey, Mr. MS2, you're live on Radio Touch SA, man. How are you doing today?
Good, man.
Yes. We're live now. I know you said I should call you 2 minutes before that, but the way my setup is done, I couldn't really do that. Can you hear me properly?
I hear you properly, loud and clear.
All right. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, Usimlindile Mafuna from Cape Town, Delft, the pioneer and the owner of SM2 Authentic Wear. And I really promise people that we're going to be talking to you namhlanje and would like to know more about what you do. You don't know MS2 and what is it behind the name MS2? When's on MS2 and why the name MS2? I'm like, sorry, SM2, not MS2, SM2. Because I'm like, yeah, this guy SM2, why not SM1? And you don't know SM, you don't know in your brand.
All right. I'm glad that you guys have me today. And to tell you about the name of the brand, all right. At first, let me tell you who we are, what we do, and where we do it.
Sure.
Like you have mentioned, we're from Delft by origin, where me and the brand at large is located. We specialize in designing what we wear in the States. So we design from the scratch and then we get the fabric and then we manufacture what we do. So we've been doing business since last year, where we officially came out and said, this is us, this is what we do to the people. And then since then it's been just, it was like after another and we really love from Strato and they really love in the cool.
Yeah, why not SM1? Okay, SM1 uthathwe ngomnye umuntu phosa.
No, SM2 came about this. This is like already, but uyakhumbula bengithe igama lami ngisimlindile, ne?
Yeah, simlindile. Yes, mafuna.
I've got a middle name, Mithi, which is his name.
All right.
So so what happened was the name was supposed to be SM2. Now what I did is I sent it details to the graphics. And then when he came back, he did it wrong. He made it to the SM2 instead of SM2. So I wanted the floor. I said SM2.
That's crazy. So El Gaba, you mistake, but I mean it's working out properly, man. But I like it. I must say I like it. Even visually, it shows out nice.
Because it was supposed to be SM2, and then it turned out to be SM2. And so it sounds good, even though it was SM2. I said, now it sounds nice. Let's keep it to SM2 and then send it before SM2. Which were initially eating from the first time.
All right. Okay. No, cool. So now you're saying a very interesting thing, Uti, you guys manufacture your stuff from scratch. And you get the fabric and you manufacture your stuff and then you say you brand it and you sell it and you market it and you're receiving a lot of love from Istrato. What really inspired you, Autiam? Are you deep into fashion or what really inspired you to start your brand?
I think it's but different because and then impasa before I could even know impasa.
Sure.
Because I remember back in the days, I was then 20 rand the car and 20 rand the video and 20 rand the video. Started no money level just handling part. So every day cooler, we are born as we exposed to environment that's different in your life. If ever you stand around in part, I've always had a question. Ever only going to keep us. Every keep what the thing around. This is about this.
Sure.
When you get into the t-shirt and get in the thing. So like, what about I put it down? So that is how I began to get information about what can I do about this, where can I get material and stuff, and then I started to do my research.
That's good. That's good. Uguti, I think that's one of the things and I just admire about most young South Africans, abazi entrepreneurs, because it doesn't start from it starts with the passion, because people don't buy. Your business will never survive because number one, it might survive, but you wouldn't get to have amandla ukubekeka every day if it was all about money. What happens ka win a 20 million? Do you stop doing what you're doing? No, because you love it and it's something that you're passionate about. That's what makes you uvuki mihla ngemihla. So how do people get hold of impahla zakho, Mr. SM2?
So what I do is currently the biggest marketing platform in any field now is that's what I do. Now, I've got a social media page, and then I've got Facebook, I've got WhatsApp, I've got Insta. So what I do is I post stuff on the page YouTube, now I personal account, even on Insta.
Sure.
And then I give out the numbers for Abandi Baba facing orders online. So Abandi Bandi on Facebook, it's SM2 Authentic Wear, and then on Insta, it's _SM2. And then on WhatsApp, I've got all the things for WhatsApp on the page.
That's great, because at the end of this interview at the end of the program, I'm gonna ask you to send me your stuff on WhatsApp, like I did for this and just got Radio Touch, so that I can post this on our Facebook page at Radio Touch SA. And then we're hoping that you're gonna get some love, because you already said you're getting the love from the people on the streets, and hopefully Radio Touch SA listeners, will show you some love. I'm your number one fan of what you're doing, man, and I'm gonna be getting some stuff from you before this was Yeah. So that's like yeah. That's it, man. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, and like you said, you've already given us your contact details, so I'm not gonna go there. There's no point in repeating that. But what's more important is that once you send me those, I will hang them up on our Facebook page and on our WhatsApp line. Ladies and gentlemen, just one more thing. Today I've opened up the show Yanga Sobetwa. Is Yanga Sobetwa from Delft in Cape Town?
Yes, actually, we know by section 23, you're now over section 20. So, ngumntana wala sengini netball. Kangaba esenza like as big as he does now, I'm very proud. Like it is one of the things in me as the employee family says, because we know the bantana na yabanda ba so ni kwakhiwe artificial target than sobani. So it's should cool up the liberty as abantu. So yeah, doing what she's doing right now, I'm actually very proud to the limit.
Oh, that's great, man. Because I was going to be like, why do you show you it's in Cape Town? Not just in Cape Town, but it's based in Cape Town at Delft, because almost like from the same hood. Man, thank you so much for your time. Will touch you offline, and I hope that you're going to send me the details on WhatsApp like you promised. But yes, I will let the people know that you are doing the great stuff, and we can maybe try to see if you can post some of your products that you're doing on our page at Radio Touch SA, right?
Yes, sir.
Cool, man. Thank you so much, man. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Lower Giving Usimlindile Mafuna from Cape Town, Delft, the owner, the founder, the entrepreneur behind the brand SM2 Authentic Wear. Yes, you can catch him also on Facebook. We're going to be posting those details later on.
They won't take away the energy. They can't take away the energy. Free smoke, free energy. More life to my enemies. They won't take away the energy. They can't take away the energy. My money, baby, back to the dancing. Baby, this no be joking. Sound God, give me what you wanting. All these niggas are my beating. Baby, back to the dancing. Baby, this no be joking.
Wow, run town, energy. No one can take away the energy. They never gonna be able to take away the energy. Ladies and gentlemen, this December no one is going to be able to take our energy over. Akulalo once again. Yes, we just had an interview with me. I call him Mr. SM2. I'm not sure if he's going to like that, but yeah, that kind of like resonates with what he does in his brand. Ladies and gentlemen, like we said, Radio Touch SA doesn't only play umculo for Bantabacha, doesn't only play music of the modern society and all that. We still the people that are very proud of playing our own music, our own traditional music. And yes, in today's show we are featuring reggae music. We played you house, we played you Afropop, we played you stuff from Africa, we played you commercial house music. Yes, and we're going to play you culture, and we're gonna play you what they call traditional music. Yes, and I've got a song for you. One of the songs that have been released lately. I'm not a huge follower of this genre of music, but I love it because I know there's some listeners who've been asking me, Tibos, go back and play that stuff again because we are loving it. Yes, it's a Saturday. Masyambe simamele ingoma. Thank you for tuning in at Radio Touch SA, your number one social media radio station. Mzansi asambe Katunga kweti
at Radio Touch SA.
Yes.
At Radio Touch SA.
yes nanku-ke ukhangelani DSD Mhlongo ngengoma yakhe ka-2018 esithi impi yomndeni lena. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, still background usasadlala umculo wakhe ukhangelani, bambiza ngoba ngu-DSD, you know. You know, traditional musicians banalento endingayaziyo ngakwazi ukubiza ngegama yonke into yabo andiyazi banevibe yahlukeneyo kunabanye abantu, but ke ngabantu esibathanda kakhulu abasigcina sizazi inkcubeko zethu singama-Afrika nazo zonke izinto. Basinika umculo singakwaziyo ukuzenzela ngokwethu, esingakwazi nokuwucinga amaxa amaningi ngenxa yezinto ezisixakekileyo singabantu abatsha, ingakumbi sisuke sathi phithi zizinto zemiculo yasentshona. It's not a bad thing, it's a thing. I mean, we can't run away from that because we are integrated or connected to the entire world thanks to the work of the social media. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the end of the show here, but like I said, and because we've had the show here, reggae music. Yes, I have to say something about this. Many people know that I love reggae music, or maybe not many people, quite a few number of people that abayaziyo. Uyazi utata wakho okanye umama wakho okanye anti wakho, umuntu okhule naye nje endlini okanye ubhuti wakho osoloke ethanda udlala ingoma ezithile. And my stepdad used to play this other thingy, culture one stone. And today, you know, I thought, you know, when I'm thinking of reggae music, that's something similar that people like to play. I mean, it's very old, but you know, I think it gets better with time. Yes, you're chilled with me, Thabo Mithi. You can find me on Facebook, Thabo Mithi on Facebook. Yes. Radio Touch Essays, yes, number one social media radio station, Mzansi Africa, and the first radio station ever to have an event on Willowville this coming. Ladies and gentlemen, Duja, you gotta be ready. Willowville, you gotta be ready. Goa, you gotta be ready. And Joburg, you gotta be ready because yes, Thabo kazanga zodlala Thabo ungenile ungene ngenkani ungene ngeforce. And yes, we pray, you know, there's a gig that's on our pipeline, something that could take place at Duke. I'm not going to mention the name of the place. We're still talking to our sponsors, and one sponsor is confirmed. We just need to get a couple more sponsors because of various things that I'm not going to disclose to you. But yesterday, those of you who are friends with me on WhatsApp, those are following our supply, know what's going to be happening, or they know the negotiations that I'm currently going under. You know, and my people in my management. Yes, shout out to Yongama Yosta Mashungule, and shout out to Anele Tekate, the Mbozolo. These are the guys that are working with me to make that event possible, and they're working so hard to make sure that it comes to life. Having said that, it's Chilo said we're gonna play you some reggae music. Yeah man. Yes.
Oh, not thy peace, O God of my salvation. Because the mouth of the wicked under the sea is open.
Radio Touch SA.
Come with I. Rastaman throw one stone, and it bring about the feeling to all wicked men. Out of him foot tread, and the man throw one stone, and it bring about the feeling to all wicked men. Only when man like Marcus Garvey speak, wicked men would I hear. You know here. Instead of that, they only sit aside and rob and cheat and oppress the poor. May God, what a sin thing. You bring it through one stone, and it bring about the feelings to all wicked men. What a plot, bingy man throw one stone, and it bring about the feelings to all wicked men. If Rasta make a progressive move, wicked men are red. How they want to see the days when them can't send out Rasta, can't send I out Babylon. Bingy man throw one stone, and it bring a bad feeling to all wicked men. What? Bingy man throw one stone, and it bring a bad feelings to all wicked men. Things change, my dear friend. The table is turned, my dear friend. And you will have to live and learn and don't fret. President Mandela was in prison for 20 odd years. And he leave from the prison and take the seat of the president. Stone one. Bingy man we throw one stone, and it bring up bad feelings in Africa. Bingy man we throw one stone.
Listening to culture. One stone. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, reggae music is one of the beautiful genres of music that we've been blessed with in this African continent. And yes, peace to the Rasta man, yeah, and the Scotta yeah, you know, if you could guys, you have this funny pickup lines of Rasta here that seem to trend and all that. Respect and all that. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming towards the end of our show. But yes, as we're going to be closing the show, yes, one key thing is we talked to Lindy Lemafuna from Cape Town at Delft, the owner and the entrepreneur behind the brand SM2 Authentic Wear, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, we played Yanga Sobetwa, also from Delft, one of the new things that we've done in the show today. And yes, as we're closing the show, if you want to get a taste of who's gonna be playing, when you play when the DJs are just playing, it's different. The producer and the DJ himself is playing his own songs. Not only his own songs, he's going to be playing other songs that are trending, but make no mistake, this boy knows what he's doing behind the decks. Yes, this is Vicga from Eduja that I'm going to play as we're closing the show, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us on Radio Touch, SA, your number one social media radio station. Yes, join us again next week when we're going to be doing it bigger and better, because bigger and better. Ladies and gentlemen, it's festive season. I can feel the vibe. I can feel the Johannesburg heat wave. Yes, Radio Touch is shining and heat wave must figure on the east. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, in sharing at Roadwork. The song is done by Vicga. He's the producer of, I think he produces also hip hop, but I know him and he's also a DJ. He's a producer. He's a DJ also. He's all the way from Eduja. Ladies and gentlemen, and I just want to take this time and thank you guys for tuning in at Radio Touch on today's episode. I don't take it light. You're wasting your data, you're wasting your time. You exhausted a lot of resources on your side just to make sure that you can tune in and listen to us. Yes, I'm out. You can catch us at 0726414851 at Radio Touch SA, your number one social media radio station, or you can catch us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is Radio Touch or at Radio Touch SA. And yes, on this video is going to be uploaded on YouTube at Radio Touch SA, no space in between. Thank you so much. Have fun. Enjoy your weekend. I love you. Yo. No one told I'm not. Maybe I should consider going to Oprah. I'm kidding. Oh yes. 18th December, on the 16th of December, catch you Vicga live. Also be performing one of his songs, including the song that's going to be playing after this, Willowvale G-Town on the 16th of December. Yes! Roadwork by Vicga.